Morning. Well, actually, it's just gone afternoon. Little short one today. Just done the first hill, so forgive me, puffing and panting. Just a little short walk today, just trying to get some miles in. There's a couple of camps lately and a few hikes, and I need to get fitter. And lose at least a couple of stone in the next few months. Otherwise, it's going to be a struggle. Plan is, I'm putting this on camera now to walk some. I'm not doing all of it. Stewie's going to do all of it, but I'm going to walk some of the Great Glen Way with him in October. And Dave's coming. He said you would, so that's it now. You're committed. So yeah, I need to up my mileage, get some walks in. So I'm doing a little local route. It's part of that Simon Evans way that you've seen on previous ones. It's straight from home, so it's easy. It's up and down. There's a few hills in it, nothing too strenuous. Got a bit of stuff on board, but nothing too heavy. I've not got camping gear, obviously. So we're going to go on a little walk, so I'll bring you along. Any of you ladies know the Salopian Bivvyman? Into my little zone now, music on, bit into a rhythm. Get into it now. First half hour, it's always horrible. You always think, oh, I'll just cut it short, why am I bothering? And then it sort of settles down, and I'm in plod mode now. Oh shit, so much shit on the... We don't want frozen on there, do we? Right. Sorry about the hairs on the cat hairs on the lens. Last time I came down here, there's one bit that was seriously wet, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. It is August, but it's also quite wet. Well, they might be the answer to my prayers. So thank you very much, Clee Bridleways Group. Yes, I shall donate. Might even volunteer one of the days. But let's have a look if this is a bit better. Clee Hills in the background, and they're just sort of round the Stotterston area. Stotterston village is just up there, so I'm coming down to Ginny Ring Riding Centre, they used to call it, but it's the Stotterston Trekking Centre now. And I thought this has been harvested already, been combined, so summer's rolling on, isn't it? I want to go up there, but they haven't cut a track. The footpath on the map just goes directly up there, but I think he'd be too happy if I chop my way through his crop, so I'll go round the margin and go up here. Oh, I found Razzie. Look at my feather, it's a beauty. I'd say that's a buzzard. Razzie will be playing with that. He loves it. Not the best idea I've ever had. Actually a stile in there somewhere. Ah, there it is. Could be fun. Oh, not long now for a little rest. Cheers. Right folks, that just about wraps up today's little walk. It probably won't be a very long video because I won't bore you with everything, but it was just a day's walk around my local gaff. And there's so many footpaths and bridleways in and around that route. You can extend it and shorten it and make loops out of it and do all sorts. Really really lovely walking around here. It's one of the reasons I like living here. So yeah, I shall go and get myself a nice cold drink now, because I push myself a little bit on some of the hills just to try and you know, get it going, and I've earned a little rest now. So right, thanks for watching, see you again, bye.